Okay, we're on day 4 of Show Me Your Drills, and to continue the video that I was making yesterday, I was talking about how I was using these two writing utensils that I found in my stash, and how you really have to know your tools and be able to manipulate them in order to get the outcome that you're looking for. When I was midway through my day 3 drill yesterday, I was like, these are not the right utensils for me to learn how to do calligraphy with. So I just stopped instead of getting frustrated and trying. So I ordered myself this set of 24 Sharpie markers. 12 are the bullet tip and 12 are brush tip. And so I'm gonna open this box now. It just got delivered. Thank you, Amazon, for doing overnight delivery. And I have here all of my brush tips and all of my bullet tips. And it says to store them horizontally. It says to shake them a little bit before use. And then look how beautiful that is. Like it looks like it's gonna show up like a kind of like a chalk marker. It looks like it's gonna have really good coverage, and I haven't even tried with this yet. So let's see if this is gonna be any easier. Oh my gosh, these write so beautifully. It glides so smoothly and it has like full opaque coverage. And obviously I'm just like breezing through these, which Becca says not to do. But I just wanted to show, oh, that is a good one. How nicely it writes. So that was the brush tip, and really quickly I'm just gonna do the bullet tip, which is not what I'm gonna be using for the calligraphy, but oh yeah. So do yourself a favor and go order a pack of these. I actually got these because every Tuesday just sent out her like, I don't know, recommended Prime Day purchases. And so I bought this based on the email that she sent out the other day. So I'll post the link for this in there so that she can get a couple cents from each of the sales that she makes off of it. Anyway, happy crafting. Bye.